Just repeat after me. I'm putting the clothes in the washing machine. Don't forget to add detergent. The clothes are very dirty. Let's wash the white clothes separately. The washing machine is running now. Please hang the clothes outside. These clothes are still wet too. The laundry smells fresh. I need to fold the clean clothes. Can you help me with the laundry? I am sweeping the floor. Please clean the table. The room looks messy. Let's tidy up the house. Can you wash the dishes? The kitchen needs cleaning. Please organize your clothes. Take out the trash.